Sir, bubuksan yung ilaw. Hindi makikita rito. Babukas doon. Yan, sir. Papayin mo ulit, sir, tapos buksan mo ulit. Yung ilaw sa kabila. Sir, patay mo yung electric fan. Yung baba, sir. Alis kayo dyan, may magbibihis. Ipasa, sir, tapos.
May bula kayo? May bula kayo, dala.
Babalikan sir. Wait lang, may nagbibihis pa. Madilim naman, hindi makikita. Kunwari macho ka. Okay na, sir. Gab.
Did you enjoy the ritual dance of the bride? So now, shall we proceed to the hotel? Thank you for coming here in the Philippines. Hope you come back again. Check out room 123.
I go by.
Okay, ma'am. Check up na. Where's my ticket? Thank you, ma'am.
Kung gusto mo ba yung kay Kenji, ay dun sa bahay. Kasi, pag sa kanila tayo, wala naman
I've done the following na.
Oh.
Tingin mo natapos natin yung 1 to 4 lang.
So, that will be the end of our play. Let me introduce to you the characters of our role play. Charlie as the receptionist, and also the dancer. Then Janine is a dancer also, and waiter, valet, and dancer. And then Java Mansala is the driver. Machete, the driver. The dancer also. And then Ruth, our tourist.
Angel
Our
Oxin.
Our tourist and the dancer.
Okay.
At ako ang cameraman.
Oh, ito lang masasabi.
Ang daming video yan,
And
Tay.
these are
Kinig mo na.
the...
Very good yung ginawa niyo. So far, it's
Send me na.
okay. Everything all about the tour guiding. Okay, I understand everything about the tour guiding. Okay, so those are the positive comments, right? Because in every role play, we should have the positive, negative comments for you to enhance it more and for you to develop your knowledge and skills all about tour guiding. Okay, so in the tour guiding, your positive comments, it's all about your exactly. You do the best. You do the tour guiding types. You explain very well all the tour spots and all those sceneries, okay, in Baguio City, as well as those dancing, those tribe dancers. Okay, very good. But the negative side, okay, this is what I'm going to emphasize as comments. Okay, not really comments, but in general, it's good. Okay, the tour guide and the tourist. The tour guide is very good, but the tourist during the time that there is tourist, okay, all of you should participate as a tourist, not only one, because it's sometimes lacking or not lacking. It's sometimes empty. All about the conversation together, one-on-one. It's like an interview only, diba? So it should have all of you, okay, participate as a tourist. Yun sana. But so far in general, okay, very nice.
Good job, good job.